Hello everybody, I am Julio González and I am a student of Nueva Granada University. This project is part of the student plan for the first half of telecomunication engineering. Let me introduce to you to my partner Sebastian Mendoza. Sebastian, please.
Hi Julio. Well, as my parents say, I am part 2 of the project of Introduction to the Engineering for the first semester of telecommunication engineering at the Nueva Granada University. First of all, we want to make to you a question. How will be our life without music?
It is a fact that the humans need ways to express their feelings, and one of the best ways, definitely, is the music. Because that, we decided to develop a project as a way to make music. To start, we are going to talk about an special instrument, the piano.
Let's start by explaining what is a piano and what type of pianos are manufactured actually.
The piano is a musical instrument played using a keyboard. It is widely used in classical and jazz music for solo performance, in sound use, chamber music and accompaniment, and for composing and rehearsal. Also, the piano is not portable and often expensive. Its versatility and ubiquity have made it one of the world's most familiar musical instruments.
Get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Okay, Julio, could you explain us how electric piano works?
The electric piano or keyboard has become an essential element of many rock bands, jazz groups, and experimental music ensembles. Electric pianos may come in many shapes and designs and generally fall into one of 4 categories for producing sound: the plucked reed, the struck reed, the struck wire, and the struck string. All electric pianos are equipped with a pickups that allows the sound to be amplified. Sebastian, and how an electric piano works?
Electric pianos produce sound mechanically and the sound are turned into electric signal by pickup. Unlike the synthesizer, the electric piano is not an electric instrument but electromechanical. Well, our project is about a piano toy, which has an array of a normal piano. This may sound with a frequency that will be assigned to each note. The piano will be monophonic. It means that it can measure. In other words, it will be able to meet sound of 2 or more notes. It can only play a note at a time.
The common piano chords contain the following notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, assigned to each key. Additionally, it has other keys with their respective sustain to each note. Usually, a common piano should have 8 octaves with 96 keys. For the purpose of our project, we will to reduce this composition to 1 octave. This means that in total there will be 12 notes, which will be precisely modulated with the knobs to assign with a specific frequency in order to get the correct sound to the musical scale. Our piano has implemented 12 knobs to tune the instrument as you want it, but not only will the sound of a specific octave, also you can switch to an octave higher or an octave lower. This will give more variety to the sounds of the instrument and more possibilities to improve music.
The piano will also has a volume slider to adjust the sound as desired, and will have a small LED to alert when a key will be in use. Piano will work with a power supply, in our case a battery. When the instrument will not in use, the battery should be disconnected to save the charge in them. This is because the circuit draws a small current energy even when not give a ton. The material that we will use for this project are:
one perforated plate, ideally the plate is of a light color.
one integrated circuit,
One small dynamic load speaker.
one LED low loss,
One capacitor to 1000 microfarads.
one capacitor to 10 microfarads,
One electrolytic capacitor.
12K open muffling over plane,
12 horizontal adjustable potentiometers, vertical axis.
one vertical potentiometer horizontal axis,
2 resistors.
one set of connector in a position to supply with their respective spread,
One battery holder and their corresponding batteries to give between about 5 and about 15 volts.
cable, solder iron, solder, wire stripe and other supplies and material for assembling circuit,
One black pen to write on the surface of the plate, Sharpie.
and tape. This image clearly shows each of the assembled elements.
Well, this is our project. We hope to culminate it successfully and efficiently.
Thank you very much. See you soon to play good music.